Hello baby lovers, you're welcome to Baby's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making Gizdodo. Guys, this festival period, this is one of the recipes you must try. Try it, follow my recipe and thank me later. This this recipe, God, is so good and it will spice up to you and your family fun time together. Pardon my voice, guys. I have not been feeling too great, which is why I've not been constant or in my posting. So, but we have to post this, okay? I need you guys to have something extra and special to add for your festival period, all right? To celebrate this moment with your families and giving thanks. All right, let's go on the list of our ingredients. We have our ginger and garlic mixed already. I pounded it with pepper and smoked crayfish. We have our vegetable oil, our bell pepper, veggies, onions, green pepper, carrots, spring onions. We have our gizzard, our fresh tomato, our tomato paste, our plantain. I call them into this cube size, our onions. All right, let's get cooking, guys. Get a clean pan. We are going to start with the gizzard. All right, we have to season the gizzard. We all know gizzard can be hard, some extremely hard, so you have to cook it well. For it to be cooked properly, you have to steam it, okay? We'll steam it for some time before we fry it. All right, let's go. So your gizzard is on your pan. My gizzard is already washed. I washed them with warm water, with salt and lemon. All right, that is what I used to wash my gizzard. And of course, I use knife to remove all those slimy particles on his body. A gizzard is what coming with your ginger, garlic, and pepper. Yellow pepper is there, and also crayfish. All right, season it first without much water. Just season it. You can now go in with your seasoning cubes. I'm using Knorr chicken today. Season cube, onions, and then you can add a little water. All right. After you add your water, allow it to simmer out. All right, so you have to allow it to simmer out so that the heat can dissolve all of those ingredients. Not much water, guys, please. Also take note that we are steaming this on a very low heat. You see the color will begin to change. The color will begin to change as if you are frying it already, as you can see on this video. Sorry, guys. Pardon my voice. All right. So allow it to simmer for some time, like this. All right. So it's almost ready. You cannot go in with the rest of your seasoning. You cannot go in with your cubes. Go in with, yes, go in with your cubes. Go in with your salt and every other thing that you want to add to it in terms of seasoning your gizzard. But guys, be mindful not to put much because there's no water in it. So it means all the seasoning is going to penetrate and be absorbed inside the gizzard. So put a little quantity. If it's not enough, you can always add. Than for you to add excess, okay? That will be too much seasoning and that will not taste nice at all. All right. So when your gizzard is ready, you're going to pack it out and then you will go in. We'll begin the next phase. My gizzard is ready now. It's steamed. Go in with a clean pan, another one, and then add your vegetable oil. I already have vegetable oil that I used earlier that day, so I'm going to reuse it. All right. There's nothing wrong in reusing vegetable oil as long as it stays crystal clean and clear. So you pour in go in with your clean oil. Now you can pour it in. Allow the oil to get hot. Okay, if the oil is not enough because you want the plantain to be, I want love my plantain to have that brownish color, right? So I'll add more oil. Then put a little salt in your plantain. Just a little, guys. Please be mindful of salt. Okay? And then go in with the plantain into the oil. Once you turn it into the oil, allow it to fry. Okay, so you can fry this plantain anywhere you like it. You can air fry it. You can use your air fryer for it. You can decide to use your oven if you want. Okay, but I'm frying it with the pan. All right. So yeah, just like this. Allow it to boil out, to fry. While your plantain is getting ready, come and check on your gizzard. You see my gizzard? I've allowed all the water to dry up, right? So it's just the gizzard and the seasoning. This one I was talking about, you being careful with your salt and your seasoning. So you can turn on the gizzard, turn it away, all right? Turn it away. And then we'll go back to our plantain, check on our plantain. If our plantain is ready, we're going to pack it out. If it's not yet ready, we will leave it first. Let it still go on until it gives you that brownish golden color that is very, very hard to look away. All right, so my plantain is ready now. I'll pack it. Oh, this oil, I'll pack it away. This oil, you have to use kitchen tissue, kitchen paper to dry off some of the oil. All right. Then this oil is still reusable. You can still use it if you wish. If you don't want, you can use maybe your olive oil or small vegetable oil or small butter. But I'm still going to reuse this oil. All right. So after my plantain is kept neatly, whoa, guys, look at that plantain. Right? Yummy. I love the color. So you can take a little oil, go back in the pan, fry it, and then go in with your veggies. We are frying our veggies first. Apologies, sorry. You have to fry your gizzard first before your veggies. Sorry for the mishap on this editing. I'm trying so much to cut it off, but every time I cut it off, I end up cutting way more than what I plan to cut off. So I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, so go in first with your gizzard. After your gizzard is done, you can see it's already giving you that crispy look. That crispy look is what we need, guys. Wow, yummy. At this time, your kitchen is already full of different aromas. The ginger, the garlic. Wow. I'm certain your neighbor will be asking you, where's cooking? What's going on? Alright, so your gizzard is ready. You can now pack it away, and then you can now go in with your veggies. And now add more oil because you're going to be frying your veggies. Guys, because our veggies, we don't want it to be too cooked, right? We don't want it to be too soggy, full of oils or done. So be careful of the oil you add. Use a little oil. Go with your onions and then go in with your veggies. The veggies max is 2 to 3 minutes. It's already done, right? Okay, because the carrot is not much and everything is mixed together, as you can see. All the veggies will be mentioned in the caption. Go in with it, okay? So I have here the carrots, spring onions, green pepper, the red pepper, okay? Add the red pepper to it. We're just gonna mix everything together. After a few seconds, we're going to pack this off from the fire because we still want it to be greenish and we want it looking fresh, yummy the way it's already looking. All right, so we're gonna pack this out and then we are gonna make our sauce. The sauce we are going to be using our um, fresh tomato, tin tomato, and every other thing that we have not used. The veggies is looking yummy, right? Wow, I love the greenish and the color. So now we are making our sauce, right? As you can see, go in with your fresh tomato, and then you have to fry it until it's dried. You can now go in with your tin tomato paste mixed with yellow with blended red pepper already. So see, the sauce is coming out. That makes it very well. Go in with your seasoning. If you want to add your turmeric, you can add curry and thyme. This is the perfect time to add all those things if you want. Allow it to simmer for a bit until it looks as if it's almost well done. The sauce has to be properly cooked because once the sauce is ready, every other thing is ready. Remember, you have already pre-fried all. Okay, so my sauce is ready now. Can you see it? Yes, my sauce is ready. So I'm still going to add a bit of seasoning because my seasoning is not coming out. Can I go with my fresh tomato? Okay. Add your fresh tomato. Give it another mix. Leave it for a few seconds. It looks ready now. So we can now go in with our gizzard. The reason why we are adding the gizzard first is so the sauce can penetrate inside of the gizzard, right? And the two seasoning. We season the gizzard first before we make the sauce. So we need the sauce to mix with the gizzard so that it will become one. And the taste will be amazing. Mix it well. Guys, please don't forget emphasis on a very low heat, right? Because there's no water in this food. So you have to go on a very low heat, the lowest self. You can now go in with your plantain. After you go with your plantain, give it all a mix together. Now this is what they call Gizdodo. After you give it a thorough mix, you can now add your veggies. And voila, your Gizdodo is ready. Guys, this food is so yummy. You can eat it on its own. You can pair it with jellof rice, fried rice. You can pair it with coconut rice. You can pair it with anything you want. You can even eat it with yam. You can eat it with egg. You can eat it with white rice. Do you understand? Like, this is a multi-purpose complement or companion kind of food that you can eat it with anything. Sorry, the English is not jamming. Our English is not Englishing. But you understand what I'm trying to say, right? Sorry guys, the more I'm straining my voice, the more artful it becomes. So please let me know what you think of this recipe in the comment section and what you'll be pairing yours with. Will you eat it like this or will you pair it with something? Okay? Let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Guys, subscription, it does not cost you anything. Please support me. If there's any other food or any other dish you want to see, you want me to make, or you want to know the recipe, kindly say it on the comment section or send me a DM. I will do so to reply and to follow up. Okay, guys, please subscribe, like, and share. All this is what encourages us to do more. It's really difficult being a content creator. I'm telling you, I'm trying. I hope to get better so I can give you that premium content that you're all waiting and looking for. Thank you so much for your support. Continue to like, press on the notification button so that anytime I'm posting an update, you will get the reminder immediately. All right, please subscribe, share, and like, and then let me know on the comment section what you think of this recipe. If it is something you practice or you do this holiday with your family, and what you'll be pairing it with. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next episode, baby lovers. Till then, compliments of the season. Bye.